Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the calculus. The topic today is about find the limit of this function square root of s power 2 plus s minus s in here. So this is the question. If you see about the square root and you have see the minus next to the square root like this, you will use about the square root of this s power 2 plus s in here. So you got about a minus b and a plus b. A minus b multiplied with a plus b, you got about a power 2 minus b power 2. In here, that's about the square root. We use about a power 2. That's why we eliminate the square root. And we have s in here is about b. Then we become s power 2 from the b power 2. S power 2 minus s power 2. You got about s in here. Then you divide s in the denominator and numerator. You got about 1 divided to square root of 1 plus 1 over s plus 1, because limit of s go to approach to plus infinity, so that's 1 divided to infinity. You got about 0, and you got about 1 divided to square root of 1 plus 1, and you got about 1 over 2. So the answer for the a in here is about number 2. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.